Hello, my name is Teacher Geraldine. What's your name?
My name Lynn.
Lynn. Okay, so Lynn, how old are you?
I 12 year
I
old.
12
Yes,
years old.
teacher.
Okay, so Lynn, can you please say, my name is Lynn?
My name is Lynn.
Very good. And then Lynn say, I am 12 years old.
I am 12 year old.
Okay, again, can you repeat after teacher? Say years.
Years.
12 years old.
12 years old.
Very good, Lynn. Okay, so Lynn, how are you today?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Very good. So, did you go to school today?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay. So, how about did you eat your lunch?
Not yet, teacher.
Not yet. Okay. So, Lynn, before we start, teacher is going to ask you some questions. Is that okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now this time, teacher is going to ask you about your favorites. Ready?
Ready, teacher.
Ready. Very good. So, Lynn, what is your favorite color?
Um, Pink, teacher, pink.
Pink. Okay. So, what is your favorite food?
Uh, uh, I don't know say English.
Oh,
Vietnamese food, teacher.
Vietnamese food.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Len, do you know bao bao mi?
Teacher, banh mi.
Yes.
Yeah, I always eat banh mi. Every
Mhm.
day, teacher. Every day.
Every day. So, do you like banh mi?
Yes, teacher. I like.
Yes, very good. Okay. So, Lynn, can you please say, my favorite color is pink?
My favorite color is pink.
Very good, Lynn. So that's how you say it. So when you're going to say your favorites, you're going to start with my favorite is. Okay, Lynn?
Okay, teacher.
Very good. Again, can you say my favorite food is brownie?
My favorite food is banh mi, teacher. Banh mi.
Banh mi. Yes, sorry.
Yes,
Good job,
teacher.
Lynn. Okay, very good. Next one. Mm, do you like to watch cartoons, Lynn?
I don't watch TV, teacher.
You don't watch TV.
Ah,
Okay.
YouTube.
YouTube. Okay. So who is your favorite YouTuber?
No favorite YouTuber, teacher. Only see many things, teacher.
You only watch. Again, can you please say watch?
Watch.
Very good. I only watch
I only watch
many
many
videos.
videos.
Very good. Okay. So what kind of videos do you watch?
Uh, Sometimes I watch about science and
Wow.
also sometimes I watch also about people what to help people like that,
O-
teacher.
Okay. So you like to watch videos that people are helping?
Yes, teacher, helping poor
Wow.
people like that.
Oh, wow. Very good, Lynn. So, Lynn, do you like to help people someday?
Yes, teacher.
Wow. Okay, so another question about helping, Lynn. If you want to help, I know, if you see a person that wants to beg for money, okay? An old person, Lynn, okay,
Yes,
that is poor.
yes, teacher.
Are you going to give money to the old person?
Yes, teacher. If I have money.
Wow, very good. So that's good to know, Lynn. Okay. So, Lynn, do you have any questions to teacher?
No, teacher.
No. Okay. So I think we are going to proceed with your lesson right now. So are you ready, Lynn?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So teacher is going to share the screen now. Okay. So Lynn, can you see my book?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Can you see it clearly?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So now this time, Lynn, are you ready to learn?
But teacher, make bigger.
Oh, okay. Yes, teacher is going to make it bigger. Okay, so are you ready to learn, Lynn?
Yes, yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. So for today's lesson, we are going to do the big question number 7. And the question for today is, can you read, Lynn?
Where do we live?
Very good. So that is the big question for today. Where do we live? Okay. So now this time, Lynn, do you have an idea? Where do we live, Lynn?
What mean, teacher? We live where,
Y-
teacher?
do we live in a house?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. So we live in a house. Good job. Now this time, let's look at the picture. Okay, so Lynn, can you please look at the picture and tell me what can you see in the picture?
Uh, House, building, yeah, house, building, water.
House, building, water,
Yes,
and
teacher.
then what else? What else can you see?
Trees, teacher.
Trees, very good. And then what else?
Build many buildings, teacher.
Many buildings. Okay. What do you call this one? Lynn, do you know what it
I
is?
don't know, teacher.
Okay, this is a boat. Again, can you please say boat?
Boat.
Yes, boat. Okay, so Lynn, how many colors can you see?
Many colors, teacher.
Many colors. Very good. Now, this time, Lynn, another question. Is your house the same as this house in the picture?
No, teacher.
No.
There's one
Okay.
teacher.
This one. So do you live in a flat or an apartment?
Apartment, teacher, building.
Building. Okay. So you live in an apartment. Again, say I live in
I live in
an
an
apartment.
apartment.
Very good, Lynn. Okay, next question. Is this a good place to live, Lynn? This one in the picture?
Maybe, teacher.
Maybe. Okay, so as you can see, Lynn, this one is by the waters or on the lake. So, do you like to live by the lake, Lynn?
I don't know, teacher.
Okay,
Because very dangerous, teacher.
Oh, very dangerous. Okay, so another question. Good job, Lynn. Is this a good place to live? Lynn, what do you think?
This one, teacher, house, this one.
Yeah, this house, this pink house, is this a good place to live?
It is beautiful and maybe teacher.
Maybe you. Okay, very good. Next one. How about in this building? Do you think this is a good place to live, Lynn?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, why?
Because safe and
Because.
quiet.
Mhm. Okay, safe and quiet. Again, can you say it again, Lynn? Say because it's safe and quiet.
Because it's safe and quiet.
Very good, Lynn. Okay, good job. Now, this time you're going to start in part C. You're going to think and answer the question. Ready, Lynn?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so Lynn, where do you live?
I live Ho Chi Minh City.
Okay, I live Ho Chi Minh City. Next one. Can you please say, I live in Ho Chi Minh City?
I live in Ho Chi Minh City.
Again, can you say Ho
Ho
Chi
Chi
Minh
Minh City.
City? Very
City.
good, Lynn. Okay, next one. What do you like about your home?
It's quiet teacher
It's
and strong teacher.
it's strong. Okay, so it's quiet and strong. That means, what do you call this? The
It's
building.
yes made of what called stones
s-
teacher.
Okay, so Lynn, it's made out of concrete. Can you please say concrete?
Ah, concrete.
Very good. So that is why the apartment is strong. Okay, Lynn?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. What else? So it's quiet, it's strong because it builds of concrete. What else?
No more teacher.
No more. Okay. Next one. Now we're going to fill out the big question chart. So, Lynn, what do you know about where people live?
Uh, I don't know teacher.
Okay, so you don't know. So when we say, what do you know about where people live? That means you're going to tell me places where they live. Like, for example, people live in apartment like Lynn. People live in uh, a house, okay? People live in a tree house, just like that. Okay, Lynn? People live in a village. People live in a city, just like that. Okay, Lynn?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So, Lynn, do you have any questions before we end?
Uh, no teacher.
No. Okay. So, if you don't have any question, you did a great job today, Lynn. Okay. So, teacher is going to end the class now, and I will be giving your feedbacks after our class. Okay, Lynn?
Thank you for teaching me, teacher.
You're welcome, Lynn. It's my pleasure. Goodbye,
Bye
Lynn.
bye. See you again. Thank
See ya.
you.
Thank you.